Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be on the ukulele and it's on Nothing on You. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to JLab for providing the audio. I'm using their Talk Curl USB microphone. If you guys want to check it out, check out the links down below. But let's get right into this video. Alright, so we got 4 chords here. First chord is going to be an E flat major 7. Take off your ring finger, then we got C minor 7. Third chord is a D minor. And last chord is going to be an F. Okay, so I have a strum pattern that you guys can use for singing with it. Go down, up, down, down, up, down, and down, up, down, and then down, up, down again. Okay. So you see it. Beautiful girls over the world. I couldn't chase it. Of course, it's not that slow, but you guys can play it as fast as you want. Those are the 4 chords to the song. If you guys want to check out the guitar version here, I have that up there. And thanks again for JLab on the audio. But I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.